I don't know how that got cut off, but it cut off. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. They got glue on them, folks. I can't understand the concept. You do not need glue. On these lavatory sink drain P-traps. That I had to cut them out. That's it. So we'll have to we'll use the P-trap we got, 1.25 inches, right? Take it on out of there. Have to do our reduce and wash on that. Keep that same nut on there. Run this P-trap up onto this 1/4 inch galvanized pipe. That's good because now we don't have to increase the size until we get into that main drain. The 1.5 inch going into converting to 2 inch. All right. This is Freeman. We're gonna pause for a second while we get the new P-trap set in place.